This puzzle's been messing with my brain. Here's how it goes. Adam has two kids. At least one of them is a boy. What are the chances the other one is a girl? There's some assumptions you're allowed to make. Each child is either a boy or a girl. Each child has equal likelihood of being a boy or a girl. And the gender of one child does not affect the gender of the other. Pause now to guess your answer. Did you guess? If you guessed half or 50%, you'd be wrong. Sort of. Let me explain. The first statement says Adam has two kids. So that means his kids are either a boy followed by a boy followed by a girl followed by a boy, or a girl followed by a girl. The second statement says at least one is a boy. This is additional information. This means we've ruled out the possibility of the fourth option. So the only remaining possibilities are boy boy, boy girl, and girl boy. Out of these three possibilities, two of them include a girl child. So the chances of the other child being a girl are 2 out of 3 or 66%. It feels counterintuitive, but the thing is, when you say that at least one child is a boy without specifying which one, you are narrowing down the possibilities from 4 to 3. And that changes probabilities. So if you guessed 66%, were you correct? Nope. I really wish this were the end of the puzzle and this were a shorter shot. The thing is, this puzzle only works in a very strict math textbook sense, not that much in real life. It's very ambiguously framed. It matters how you found out at least one of Adam's kids is a boy. It doesn't work out the same if the way you found out was you randomly met Adam with his son, or if he mentioned he had a son, or you overheard him talking about his son. In that case, the answer is actually exactly 50%. Why? Because let's say Adam still has two kids and you met him with his son, and that's how you found out he has at least one son. And the possibilities are you met a son who has an older brother, you met a son who has a younger brother, you met a son who has an older sister, and you met a son who has a younger sister. There are 4 possibilities, and in 2 of these, the boy has a sister, or Adam has a girl child. So the probability comes to 50%. So this puzzle only works if you ask Adam explicitly, is at least one of your kids a boy? And Adam, who's only allowed to answer in yes or no, says yes. See, it's all messed up. And this puzzle was originally posed in 1959 by a mathematician named Martin Gardner in Scientific American. And mathematicians and regular people have been debating this ever since. So finally, what's the correct answer? There isn't just one. It depends on unsaid assumptions. Sorry.